All right, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smile. There are some fruits that are mistaken for vegetables and vice versa. So let's see if Talia and I can identify these fruits and vegetables. Let's go. I don't like these guys inside here. Okay, string beans.
String beans. I would say it's a vegetable. It's a vegetable.
It's a veggie.
Is it a vegetable?
It's a vegetable.
Why do I feel like
it's a vegetable?
Why do I feel like is that true?
I think it's a vegetable.
Is a vegetable?
It is?
I'm gonna feel like it's
Will it come up on the screen and say yes or no? Are we going to know if it's so? Yes. Okay,
no,
although it's not. It's a fruit. Okay, so green bean, string bean, although we have known green beans such long time, most of us think that it's a vegetable, but botanically green bean is a fruit.
Okay.
Interesting.
Whoa.
I never know that. Wow.
All right.
The farm chick learned something new today.
All right, next up. What do we got? Okra.
Okra.
All right, I'm going to guess and say this one is a fruit. Because they might try to trick me. Debbie, you take my answer?
No, I say vegetable.
Vegetable means a fruit.
Don't stick to the evil that I know.
I love okra still, you know, so.
Yeah, man. Okra is nice.
Let me see who got it right. Let's see. Aha, it's a fruit.
Okay.
So okra or lady's finger, you know, don't have a sweet taste like fruits, but it's a fruit. It's called a lady's finger.
I did not know that. And none of us finger look like that. That's
okra.
so wrong.
That's what I say.
That's so
Maybe
wrong.
Your finger make we see.
No, my finger don't look like that.
Maybe a nail will make it look like that.
No, it don't look like that. No. Anyways, moving on. Next fruit or
next
veggie.
one.
Let's see.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay.
A fruit.
I'm going to say
that
fruit.
Trick me.
Because
I think it's a vegetable, but it's a fruit.
I all my life I hear it's a vegetable, but let's see.
Yeah, I think it's a fruit. Let's guess.
I feel like we need to take over agriculture.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit, right?
So contrary to popular belief, eggplant is not a vegetable but a fruit. They are technically classified a berry. Well, it kind of looks like a berry.
It does.
The color and thing.
Yeah.
It does not sweet.
It's just not.
Eggplant and a taste. It's just healthy for you.
You can give it taste. That's for sure.
But I mean,
but it's usually very bland.
Yeah. All
right. Next.
Bell peppers. This is a vegetable. It's a vegetable. I don't know. Debbie said fruit. I said vegetable. What is it? But it has so much seed. Oh, it's a fruit for true.
Bell peppers. Can you find any relation between bell peppers and fruits? It may seem difficult, but from the biological perspective, bell peppers are fruits indeed.
And they're sweet, like sweet peppers. Yes. That's what they call them, sweet peppers. I guess. It counts for something. All right.
All right, next.
We're learning a lot today, guys.
Next fruit or veggie.
What's this?
What's this? A rhubarb?
Rhubarb. Let's see. It must be a vegetable.
So it looks almost like a celery.
Yeah, it looks like a celery.
It's not like a celery, right?
So I'll guess vegetable.
No, guess vegetable to my love, because I don't know this. I don't know what that is.
Let's see. Aha! So the adjective most commonly used for this item is that it has a fruity taste. Oh. Ironically, rhubarb is actually a vegetable. It looks like celery.
It looks like a celery. Does it taste like a celery?
It looks like a mix between like spinach and celery, like the leaves on the picture. But
the leaf look like spinach too?
Yeah, it have like a
It look more like a broccoli.
Yeah,
at the
like
top.
something. Yeah. Something vegetable-ish.
I've never had that before.
Me either.
Okay, next. Cucumbers. Fruits for sure.
Yeah, it's a fruit.
They're fruits.
Yeah, it's a fruit.
Packed with 90% water.
Yes, farm girl. Tell us.
Farm chicks,
tell
yes.
Us all.
Farm chicks, 90% water, yes. Now, although most of us don't become aware of one important fact about cucumber, it's not a vegetable. It is, in fact, a fruit in biological terms. And if you've ever run like a cucumber through a juicer, the amount of water that comes from it,
man.
It's
very refreshing.
It's lovely.
With ginger,
man.
A little lemon. I mean,
talk about it, Tal. Talk about it.
Man. I mean, and in your green juice.
Perfect.
Super refreshing. It cleanses you.
It does. It's very good.
It cleanses you.
You should try it, Clive.
Is it a bad? But don't drink it before you go on a first date.
Next.
Oh, God. Avocado is a fruit.
Avocado.
I'm going to guess that it's a fruit.
My avocado name Orlando.
What's you? Debbie said fruit?
I must a fruit too. Yeah.
Let's go.
I must
Let's
say fruit.
Let's see.
I must say fruit. Is it fruit?
Yeah, no?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
So
Okay,
you
cool.
may call it a vegetable, but in truth, avocado is a fruit because it contains a single
seed.
large
Yep.
seed surrounded by a pulp. Okay, all right.
So the seed says fruits.
That's
I guess.
interesting. Yeah, that's
Right.
Yeah,
I think so.
we
Something
got
like
any
that.
more?
What Clive said.
What Clive said? Oh, God. Okay, corn.
Corns
vegetables.
are veggies.
Yeah, I love corn.
I believe it's veggie.
I believe it's
what?
a vegetable
It's
too.
supposed to get it back.
Me no
Let
know.
us see. Is it a vegetable?
I guess vegetable.
Let's say vegetables. I think it's vegetables. It's giving me vegetable.
Me too.
It's giving me vegetable. We'll see.
It's a dry fruit.
Corn is
What?
treated like a grain in agriculture, but scientifically, the kernels are the seeds that corn plants reproduce. So that qualifies corn as a dry fruit.
Wow, that's interesting.
Listen, they never tell me the
Me
part
never
here in the
know about that.
agri-science.
But
And,
me
you
take
know, I can't see though because corn,
sweet.
some corn have sweet
Yeah,
taste, you know,
yeah.
a very sweet taste. You have some that
Yeah.
are more savory, but
Yeah, I mean,
I love
it works. I love corn too. But I think that's it, guys. That's all
it.
the fruits or veggies we have for you. So before we go to the break, here's our second video pick. It's Major, D Major with I Believe.
Promise you that I'm going to work this out with you. I'll see you through this pregnancy and I will stand up with you, alright?